Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran that the nation of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, this ummah that we have been honored to be a part of, is the greatest ummah. Kuntum khayra ummatin, and you are the best of nations. Ukhrijat linnas, brought forth to the people. Ta'muruna bil ma'roof. Why are we so great, Ya Allah? Why did we deserve this honor, Ya Allah? Ta'muruna bil ma'roof. You call towards good, you command good. Wa tanhawna 'anil munkar, and you forbid evil. وَتُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ, and you believe in Allah. Some of the ulama, they highlighted the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put the forbidding of evil and the commanding of good even before believing in Allah. Again, to highlight its importance. Similarly, my brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلْتَكُمْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يدعون إلى الخير ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر وأولئك هم المفلحون. Let there be among you a people, a group, some of you at the very least, that are calling towards good, that are commanding, enjoining good and forbidding evil, and they are the successful ones. If you want success in this life and you want success in the hereafter, be among those that stand up towards truth, that spend time calling people to khair and forbidding evil.